I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
Tina.
All right. Could you tell me what all's in here real quick?
I just got 4 dB drive WDX 5Ks on a 5,000 watt WDX.
Okay. What is your do you know your specs of your box? What it's tuned to or anything?
No, I have no idea what it is on right now.
Okay. Did you meter it?
Yeah, I metered it. It was 136 and some change.
Okay. What frequency? Do you remember? You don't know? Okay. Do you have any extra batteries or anything? Is there on stock electrical?
It's all on stock electrical. One extra Optima red top battery.
Okay. All right.
Please call us. We'll keep being here when you need us.
So you had two and you added two, or how did that box work?
These two were by themselves, and then I added these two on top.
All right. More bass booming for the package.
I'ma show you how to get it go. Left foot slide. I'm saying either way we both slide. Don't you wanna do me? No. I could get you that. Sure. Like Michael Jackson, I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It goes left foot slide. I'm saying either way we both slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot.
Still keep it above 14.
Oh, so your voltage is still pretty good.
Yeah. 14,
Okay.
9, 15 now.
All right.
Goes back and forth.
Is it louder with the windows up or down?
Either
Do you know?
way, I mean, I think it's louder with the windows up.
It is? Okay.
So many people that I love at a trouble spot. Other than the family, I gotta see the you and me. That's your side, think I see the you and me. This life got too bad for you, baby. Too bad. Black leather glove, no sleeves. Walkers on the jacket. Crossbody got a piece. Gotta dance with his billions. I'ma show you how to get it going. Left foot slide. I'm saying either way we both slide. Juicy slide, then I hit it double time, and I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, I ain't see them in the summertime. Can't describe the best I've been putting on myself. Really, I just can't.
Yeah, I think when you had that windows up is a little bit louder. Yeah. Appreciate the demo, man.
Not a problem.
Can I see the red top? Where's the red top at?
Yeah, so underneath the roof.
All right. All right. Is this your daily driver or just project truck?
Daily driver.
Okay.
Everything I got is my daily driver.
All right. And the amplifier. Where's your amp? What, stock alternator? Yep. Did you do the big three? Looks like you did the big three. Did you upgrade? Electrical at least, okay. All right.
The alternator's right there. I mean, the amp is underneath the...
Yes, sir. This is the WX 5K.
Yes, sir.
Nice. DB drive. So you went with DB drive as your...
Everything I got is DB drive besides the door speakers.
All right.
Door speakers I gotta switch out sometime soon.
Yes, sir.
And put,
that water will be clear for the house too.
Okay.
put all DB drives in there.
Awesome.
Okay.
Well,
Congratulations.
thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Great demo. The Joker.
Used to be a club.
Really? Okay.
Never really worked out. I was in it temporarily.
Just get one more good shot.
Yeah, you get me.
So, question real quick. When you added the 2 subs, did it get louder?
Yes.
It did.
Yes,
Okay.
tremendously loud.
I mean, obviously, I figured, but I was just curious. Yeah. So you cut a block out, added the block of wood, and 2 more subs, and
Well, cut a circle so that way it fit in there
Yeah.
on top of the piece
Okay.
of wood that is on top.
Okay. Do you know what you're wired to on your amp?
Wired to
Half ohm, 1 ohm, half ohm,
or quarter ohm.
quarter ohm, or quarter ohm.
Yeah.
So you roll into. If you turn up too much, it might shut off.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it gets too hot, it will.
Yeah, if it gets too hot. That's a good amp then.
Yeah, it's a badass amp, but it does get hot.
So these are
To get a second one.
okay. Are these dual 1 or dual 2 ohm or dual 4 subs? Do you know?
They're 4 ohms.
4 ohm. Okay. All right.
But they live out.
Sorry for all the questions. I just like to know everything.
No, you good. You good.
Nice.
I read. If I see an animal.
Don't you wanna dance with me? No. So I could give you that shit. Where we from? You wanna dance with me? No. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go left, slide. I'm saying either way we slide. 2,000 shorties wanna talk. This life got too deep for you, baby. Black leather glove, no shit. Buckles on. Crossbody got a piece. Got a dance. I'ma show you how it go. Left foot. Foot slide. I'm saying either way we both slide. Juicy slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit it spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, I might even in the summertime, yeah, can't describe. It's alright. Satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go left. Either way we 2,000 shorties wanna talk. Black leather glove, no shit. Buckles. Body got a dance. time and I hit a spin, cause we spun that block of cars. If it's not the right time.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.